Hello, I am back with another video again. So, today is gonna be a haul video from Amazon. Since Shadi ka season hai, everybody needs festive and ethnic clothing. So, my favorite place to shop for ethnic clothes is Amazon. Everybody loves to shop from Amazon, who doesn't? So, I went on Amazon and bought a few kurtis, sets, which are one, affordable, two, amazing, three, you can style each one of them in different ways. I can show you that. So when I show you this, I'll show you. Also, I'll be putting down a single link in the description box, which is to my haul store. When you open the link, you'll see my pictures wearing these outfits, and when you click on the picture, you can purchase these. It is as easy as that. My haul store has made it easy to buy things on Amazon. It was easier. It was easy before they've made it easier. So do check it out, and I'll put them individually too if you want to. And the one I'm wearing, if you're curious about this, I'll put down a link for this one also. I think this is from Westside, and all the jewelries and stuff, everything will be linked down below. Don't worry, don't you guys keep messaging me about my jewelries and stuff. I'll do a jewelry haul again, but for now, just links. So I'll show you what did I buy. So these are the things that I bought. We'll open them one by one and I'll show you. So let's start with the first outfit. The first outfit is a very beautiful blue, very navy blue colored kurta. It's an anarkali. And I swear to God, the material is so amazing. I can't even describe it. और इस पे ये जो print है, I am in love with prints these days. So और इसके साथ you get matching plazos and at such an affordable rate. The price will be here. This is the plazo. My size is this is medium. This is so amazing. This is so cool. Like, you can wear it on a casual occasion, and if you want to make it like a heavy looking party, if you're attending a wedding or something, any function for a wedding, just throw in a good necklace, a choker necklace or a long necklace and big chunky earrings. I think this can be a great outfit for a event that you're attending. This is beautiful. Okay, so moving on to the next outfit, I have a very beautiful bandhani print green colored kurta with a plazo, and the plazo has a silver lining like this. So it's not actually a plazo, it's what do you call it, a sharara, you can call it a sharara. Yeah, so it has a sharara with it जिसमें सिल्वर कलर की लाइनिंग है. अब now I'll tell you the advantages of this one. You throw in a white dupatta. You can style it with a white dupatta like normally, or you can wear a white dupatta, plain white dupatta, like a shrug on it. And the second best thing about this one is you can wear this sharara with any other kurta that you have. This goes with everything. It has a silver lining, no specific color or anything, just need to wear silver jewelries. And this kurta is so casual, you can wear it. It's like cotton. It's cotton, very light cotton. You can wear it with even a jeans and kurta would look amazing. So this comes in set. but you can wear them separately, and if you want to wear them together, just throw in a white chunni to make it look more ऐसा heavy सा look आने का. But if you don't want to put on chunni, again a necklace, heavy earrings and some bangles would do the trick. So out of the lot, this one is the one which is so versatile that you can wear it anytime, not even just in the wedding season, the festive season and stuff. You can wear it casually too. Moving on to the next outfit, I have, this is such a beautiful color. This is a blue colored kurta, and the plazo is a simple one, a simple blue plazo, but the kurta I'll show you. This is so beautiful, and the color, guys, look at the color. I mean, wow, I am in love with the color of this and the prints. You can see the prints. It is so beautiful, and I have seen similar prints and kurta on Instagram pages which are like 2 to 3k easily. But this one, I'll put all the prices here. These are so affordable, and again, as I said, you can see this pink color here. You can wear it with pink, and this one doesn't need a dupatta to go with. Again, put on a necklace, chunky earrings, and this one, with this one specifically, I'm saying just throw in blue colored bangles in both hands and blue color earrings. It is gonna look so, yes, this has to be the most beautiful looking one out of the lot. I did buy thoda kapda, but whatever I bought, beautiful. Let's move on to the next outfit. For change, I bought something pink, which is, I love pink though. Pink color kurte and lehengas and everything. I think pink looks the best. After red, pink definitely looks the best. Any shade of pastel pink, like you go like salmon pink, baby pink, like that. So this is like a fuchsia pink. This is the plazo, not the plazo, the pant. This is the cotton pant, very simple one, and the star comes here. So this is like a very Jaipuri print. Anarkali, again, I love anarkali suits. I do love straight ones too. I do love anarkalis too. I love both of them. So this is also an anarkali. Look how beautiful the color is, and see the print. As I said, the Jaipuri print. Like I was mentioning before, I've seen this on Instagram on stores, not the branded ones. The branded ones are like they make their own prints, but I've seen similar ones on Instagram stores which are worth thrice the price of this. Iska bhi price will be here, you can see it. But this is so gorgeous, I can't even tell you. And if you want to wear it with this, you can wear it with this. If you don't want to, you can throw in a white dupatta and a white leggings with this. Would look good. And look at how beautiful the border is. Matlab, I want to just try and see if I can wear it as a dress also. It will look bomb if it fits me like a dress. Let's move on to the next outfit, which is also the last one. This is like what do I call it? This is like a light blue color. अब now this you definitely must have seen in a lot of places. कुर्ता, the neckline is round. अब इसके साथ I cannot ask you to put on a दुपट्टा or something, क्योंकि ये casual outfit है which you can wear to colleges, and if you want to wear it for a function or something, again just throw in some accessories makes things look like वो next level पे ले जाती हैं. And this has the same pattern of pants, palazzo. This is a palazzo, and this is like a quad, kurta quad. It is beautiful. I wanted this for so long क्योंकि मैंने इसको इतनी जगह देखा था, but never got the opportunity to get one. So finally got it, and at such an affordable rate, I can't even begin to explain. So let me just keep it aside and then I'll talk to you about the rates. So you'll see all the looks here. Let me tell you first, all of these were bought under 2700 rupees. I got 5 set of kurtas for 2700. I am like 2700 something. Let's just round figure it and say 3000. So I kept a budget of 3000 and I got 5 set of kurtas. So how much is it?
1 hour later.
So it's like 600 rupees per set if I go on an average, but their individual prices will be here, so you can see. I couldn't believe the quality I got. So Amazon is my go-to place now for kurta shopping. Definitely I'm not going anywhere else. So yes, these were the things. So with this we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As much as we all love to shop from Amazon, my haul store has made it easier. The links will be down below in the description. Do check them out. These are all beautiful, I assure you that. And अपनी sizing बस adjust कर लेना. I'll put my size with the price also here, what size I'm wearing, so that you can get a reference कि क्या लेना है क्या नहीं. And yes, ये I think by far I am the happiest with this Amazon haul, क्योंकि मैंने कपड़े Amazon से बहुत कम लिए हुए थे, but for the first time I thought why not just do this, because इतने affordable rate पे you get these clothes nowhere on the internet. इंटरनेट पे तो नहीं मिलेगा unless you go to Sarojini or Janpat. You're not gonna get this on the internet for sure. तो ये थे मेरे picks, my 5 picks from all the collection they have. I'm gonna do one more very soon. Till then, please do check out these. The links are down below. Please do check out these and do appreciate my effort, and comment down which one did you like the most and you're definitely gonna buy. And if you want another haul, which site and what kind of, please let me know. You can follow me on Instagram and send me a message there. I make sure to reply to each one of them every weekend, so you can contact me there. And please comment and let me know. I check comments also. I reply to all the comments. And thank you so much for so much love. Vlogs especially. More vlogs coming soon. तब तक के लिए ये था वीडियो. I'll see you guys next time. अगर अच्छा लगा तो press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends, your family and everybody you know. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. Signing off.